taas ang kamay. And wala po walang hawak ng rope. Ayan, everybody taas ang kamay. Ayan, alright. Team A, Team B, are you ready to win? Now, Thomas and Gordon, are you ready to cheer? Yes! On the count of 3, 2, 1, here we go! 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 Sige na! 15, 14, 15, 12, 11, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! We have a winner! So, game for today, ang panalo ko ay ang Team A! Congratulations! Ayan, ang kagaling naman ang ating mga kids. Okay, dito tayo sa Team A natin. Ayun, thank you so much din po sa ating team leader na si Kuya Igor dahil ginawa pa rin niya yung best niya. At syempre Team B, dahil ginawa ng Team A ang kanilang best, let's give them a 5 plus and say very good. And 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. At syempre dito naman tayo lalachan. Dahil thank you so much naman po Kuya Igor dahil napakagaling ng team leader. At syempre ginawa pa rin ng Team B ang kanilang best. Let's give them a 3 claps and say good job. And 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Okay, kids. After line, mauna po muna kami ni Lala Chan. And let's proceed to our event area. Okay, kids. No pushing po tayo, ba? At syempre, parents and guardians, samahan niyo po ulit kami dito sa ating event area para makapture niyo po ang lessons ng ating mga kids. Nandiyan, napakagaling naman ang ating mga kids today. Napakalakas nila. Kita rin po tayo sa mga kids. And ganun pa rin po yung pwesto natin. Yung malalaki po sa harap. And yung malalaki po sa likod. Yan. Mga napagod yung mga kids natin. Mag-enjoy naman po ba kayo? Yes? Yes, Lala Chan. Ayun, kids. Dahil daw po nag-enjoy kayo, sabi ni Lala Chan, magla-last dance po muna daw tayo, okay? Yung favorite dance ni Lala Chan. So get ready po, arm sideward. Arm sideward. Okay, magla-last dance tayo, kids. At in Hershey, music please. Everybody, taas ang kamay and slow it down. And jump. March. Up, side, side, and march. One more jump. Good job, march. And skip time. Okay, get ready for the shake. Shake your hands. And wave. Make a wave. Touch your shoulders. Left hand. And drop. Big wave. Alright, make a wave. Good job and fish. And march. And drop. Big wave. Alright, make a good face. Other side. Point to the right. Point to the left. Bend your knees. Cross your arms. Everybody, turn around. And jump. March. Up, side, side. And march. One more jump. March. Up, side, side. And skip it time. Very good. And get ready to parade. 3, 2, 1. Hooray! Okay, kids, everybody sit down po. Okay, go press lang tayo, kids. Lapit tayo sa may court. Alright, excited na ba kayo? So now you will shout, hooray! Okay? Siguro yung mga kids po na nandito, lipat po dito sa may side. Sa kabilang side po. At tapos na, puto po yung logo ni ate. Okay. Practice tayo